When you're out in the wild, having reliable power is essential. The best power inverter for camping ensures your devices stay charged, lights stay on, and adventures continue smoothly, delivering safe and efficient DC to AC power anywhere you go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BELTTT Camping Power Inverter. The BELTTT Camping Power Inverter is a reliable and high-performance solution for anyone needing dependable AC power in off-grid situations. Delivering 2,000 watt of continuous DC 12V to AC 110/120V power and up to 4,000 watt surge power, this inverter is ideal for powering everything from televisions and home theaters to car stereos and other sensitive electronics. Its pure sine wave technology ensures the output closely matches utility-grade AC, extending the lifespan of your devices while minimizing faults. One of the standout features of this inverter is its intelligent LCD display, which provides real-time information on input and output voltages, battery levels, and load status. This allows users to troubleshoot efficiently and adjust settings as needed. The BELTTT inverter is also equipped with multiple outlets, including dual AC sockets, a 20A outlet, a 5V 2.1A USB port, a hardwire port, and a remote controller with a 23-foot cable, making it exceptionally versatile for RV trips, trucks, and outdoor adventures. Its design balances performance and safety, offering high conversion efficiency with low no-load losses. Whether used for recreational camping, emergency backup, or solar energy setups, this inverter provides the robust power and smart monitoring features that campers and off-grid enthusiasts need. With its combination of surge capacity, pure sine wave output, and multi-port accessibility, the BELTTT Camping Power Inverter ensures you can run multiple devices simultaneously with confidence, making it a top choice for dependable portable power. Number 2. Renogy Camping Power Inverter. Renogy's Camping Power Inverter is a powerful 30,000 watt DC to AC converter designed for campers, RV users, and outdoor enthusiasts who require reliable, high-capacity power. This inverter provides 3,000 watt continuous power and 6,000 watt peak surge output, delivering pure sine wave AC with over 90% conversion efficiency. This ensures sensitive electronics like laptops, TVs, freezers, and tablets operate smoothly and safely without buzzing or flickering. Safety is a major focus of the Renogy inverter, with comprehensive protections including undervoltage, overvoltage, overtemperature, overload, and short-circuit indicators. Its quiet operation and high-performance cooling fans enhance reliability while protecting electronics from heat-related damage. The unit includes multiple AC outlets, a terminal block, and a built-in USB port for charging smaller devices, making it suitable for powering a wide range of equipment during camping trips or emergency situations. UL and CSA certifications further confirm the quality and safety standards of this inverter. The durable metal housing protects the device from bumps and impacts, and high-speed ventilation ensures long-term stable operation. Users will appreciate the balance of raw power, protective features, and user-friendly design, which allows them to safely power electronics in remote or mobile settings. Number 3. LANDERPOW Camping Power Inverter. The LANDERPOW 3500W Camping Power Inverter is engineered for heavy-duty outdoor and emergency use, offering 3500W continuous power and 7000W peak surge capacity. This pure sine wave inverter ensures stable, clean AC output that protects sensitive electronics such as laptops, microwaves, CPAP machines, and window air conditioners. With over 91% conversion efficiency, it minimizes energy loss while maximizing output, making it ideal for RV trips, off-grid solar systems, or construction sites. The unit features 3 AC outlets, a hardwired terminal, and fast-charging USB and USB-C ports, offering flexibility for powering multiple devices simultaneously. High-quality 1AWG battery cables ensure safe and efficient current delivery, and a smart LED remote screen allows users to monitor battery levels, output voltage, and errors from up to 15 feet away. The LANDERPOW inverter also includes a one-touch shutdown/restart function, simplifying operation and providing peace of mind during extended use. Its pure sine wave technology guarantees noiseless, flicker-free performance, which is critical when running sensitive electronics or high inductive loads like refrigerators or power tools. Number 4. EFFORTWAY Camping Power Inverter. The EFFORTWAY Camping Power Inverter is a 5,000-watt powerhouse designed to handle high-demand power needs in off-grid and mobile scenarios. With 5,000-watt continuous power and 10,000-watt peak output, it converts DC 12V to AC 110 or 120V with over 90% efficiency, ensuring stable electricity for RVs, trucks, motorhomes, and solar-powered systems. The inverter includes an LCD display and remote control that allows users to monitor input/output voltage, battery capacity, load, and error codes easily. The 16-foot wireless remote adds convenience for controlling the inverter from a distance, making it ideal for camping or mobile office setups. Advanced safety features include cooling fans, LED indicators, built-in fuses, and protection against overcurrent, short circuits, overloads, overheat, and overvoltage. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, the EFFORTWAY inverter is both resilient and reliable under challenging outdoor conditions. It's versatile enough for powering essential household appliances, tools, or electronics during emergencies or extended camping trips. The unit ensures smooth and quiet operation while maintaining high conversion efficiency, delivering consistent AC power without interruptions. Number 5. TVNIKD Camping Power Inverter. The TVNIKD Camping Power Inverter is a 2500W DC to AC converter designed to power multiple devices efficiently during camping, outdoor trips, or off-grid situations. Offering up to 5,000-watt peak surge power, this inverter can handle laptops, TVs, mini refrigerators, water dispensers, power tools, and other essential electronics with ease. Equipped with 3 AC outlets and a 2A USB port, it provides flexibility for charging multiple devices simultaneously. Its design supports a wide range of applications, from cars and RVs to boats, tents, and remote workplaces. The combination of high output, intelligent safety systems, and versatile charging options makes the TVNIKD inverter ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals requiring portable, reliable AC power. Whether used for camping, solar setups, or emergency backup, the TVNIKD Camping Power Inverter ensures users have a dependable source of electricity wherever they go, balancing safety, performance, and convenience in one compact device. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.